Hey everyone, welcoming you all to my YouTube channel that is Still a Learner. So, in this class, we are going to discuss 5th class English workbook answers of 5th unit. Okay, so the title is The Wondrous Woman. Okay, let's see the answers. So, in the first worksheet, that is 5.1, in the first Roman, we have given one text from Hi, I'm Amina to with all of you. So, from this paragraph, we have to find out the words that end with T from that paragraph, and we have to write it down here in the given blanks. So one is already done for us, that is excited. So second one is invited. Next third one started. Fourth one performed, and fifth one is touched. Okay guys, let's move on to the next Roman, which is write the plural forms for the given words. One is done for us. Okay, here some words are given and we have to write down the plural of that given word. One is already done for us, that is parent is the singular word and parents are the singular plural verbs. Like that we have to do the rest of the words. Friend singular, friends plural. Next program singular, programs plural. Next activity singular, activities plural. Next, women, singular, women, plural. Next, man, singular, men, plural. Okay, these are the singular and plural words. Let's move on to the next Roman. Here, we have to match the correct meanings. Okay, here some words are given, means some sentences are given. We have to match it according to the meaningful sentences. So, let's see the first one. The jubilant atmosphere at school. So its answer is C. Made me rush towards it. Next, I am going to see A. All my friends today. Next, third one. The role play on the wondrous woman performed by B. My friends touched my heart. Next, I would like to share those dash means D dialogues with you. Okay, these are the answers. Once again, repeating C A B D. Okay, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 5.2. Okay, here also we have to read the text which we have given here. Okay, so this paragraph is from Stravani as Mother Teresa to wish you good luck. So from this paragraph we have to find out the words. Okay, and we have to arrange it in a alphabetical order. Okay, here some words are already given which taken from that paragraph, and now we have to, what we have to do, we have to arrange it according to alphabetical order. Means first a word will come, then B word will come, like that we have to check it and place it according to alphabetical order. Let's see the answers. So first word they have already begin, that is beautiful. After that we have to check it out whether C is there. Yes, then computer will come. Then after that D E F G, then H is there, human beings, like that. Then impossible. After that M, mathematics. Then last is S for service. Okay, guys, just check it out. Beautiful, computer, human being, impossible, mathematics, and service. Okay, let's move on to the second Roman. Here, fill in the blanks are given and hints are given in a box. Okay, so we have to read that blank, means we have to read the sentence and take the appropriate word from that box and place it in the blank. Okay, guys, let's see the first sentence. Helping hands are better than praying dash. Praying lips. Lips is the correct answer. Next, second one. In dash alone, you find happiness. In service alone, you find happiness. Then, third one. I was very excited to see the beautiful blue dash from space, beautiful earth. Fourth one, nothing is impossible if you have a strong dash, faith. Okay, guys, let's move on to the third Roman. Here, okay, here what we have to do, just see. Write everyday greeting you know one has done for you. Okay, here we have to write how we wish to others in an entire day. Okay, here one is given for us, everyday greeting. First we'll start with morning, that's why good morning. After that good afternoon. After that good night. Then all the best. Then good luck. Then see you tomorrow. So these are the everyday greeting words. Okay, means small sentences. Okay, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 5.3. Okay, here also read the text from the lesson and answer the following. Here one text is given, means one paragraph is given from Swapna as dash to in all your efforts. So from this paragraph is given, and here some expressions are there. We have to put a tick mark against the person who spoke. Okay, here which person spoke that expression, there we have to put a tick mark like that. Okay, let's see. Writing poetry in my is my hobby. Who said this? Sarojini Naidu. Next, I have a great passion for dance. Who said this? Yamini Krishnamurti. Okay, next third one. Music is a special gift. Who said this? M.S. Subbulakshmi. Next, enhance your passions. So said by Yamini Krishnamurti. Next, last one. Practice makes perfect. Said by M.S. Subbulakshmi. Okay, these are the answers for this first Roman. Let's move on to the second Roman of the same worksheet, which is name the professions you know. One has been done for you. Actually, this is a student activity. Still, I am providing the answers. Let's see. Here, one profession is given, which is dancer. Okay, like that, whatever you know, which profession you know, you just write it down by your wish, or else you can copy paste the same. Second profession is teacher, then doctor, then scientist, then poet, after that lawyer. Means one after, means this is not in an order. Okay, you may write as your wish. Okay, let's move on to the third Roman, which is here some words are given with missing words, means missing letters. Some letters are missing. You have to write the correct word. So, first one is music, music. Second one, effort, effort. Third one, classical, classical. Fourth one, dance, dance. Next, fifth one is poetry, poety. Sixth one is urge, urge. Okay, these are the answers for this missing letter words. Okay, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 5.4. Okay, guys, so here in the first Roman, we have to match the following pictures according to the name. So, here some pictures are given, we need to match it with their correct name. Okay, so the first picture is M.S. Subbulakshmi, then second picture is Sarojini Naidu, then third picture is Mother Teresa, and fourth picture is Kalpana Chawla. Let's move on to the second Roman, which is here one table is given and we have to make a sentence by using the two columns. Okay, let's see. First one is writing poetry is my hobby. Second one, reading books is my hobby. Third one, dancing is my hobby. Next, fourth one, gardening is my hobby. Next, fifth one, playing cricket is my hobby. So this is how you have to make the sentence by picking one word or one sentence from one column to the other column sentence or word. Okay, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is 5.5. Here reading comprehension based question and answers are there, so we have to answer the questions carefully. So first question is, who is the speaker in the passage? Answer, Amina is the speaker of the passage. Second one, why did she rush towards the school? Answer, she rushed towards the school because the atmosphere was jubilant. Next, third question is, did her parents attend the occasion? Answer, yes, her parents attended the occasion. Fourth question, which activity touched her heart the most? Answer, the role play on The Wondrous Woman touched her heart. Okay, guys, now we'll move to the second Roman of this same worksheet. Here, choose the correct answers are given. Okay, we have to read it, and from the given three chooses, we have to pick the correct and place it in the blank means in the brackets. Okay, let's see the first one. MS Subbulakshmi is a dash singer, dancer, boxer. A singer. Second one, Shakuntala Devi is a dash social worker, mathematician, astronaut. B mathematician. Third one, Jhansi Lakshmi Bai fought with the British in the Dash Revolt. A. 1957, B. 1857, C. 1757. So answer is B. 1857. Next, fourth one. Mary Kom is a famous dash queen, poet, boxer. Answer is C. Boxer. Fifth one. Sarojini Naidu is also a dash astronaut, freedom fighter, mathematician. Answer is B. Freedom fighter. Okay, guys, let's move on to the next one, which is worksheet number 5.6. Here, this is a vocabulary part. Okay, let's see the first Roman. Read the first four paragraphs of the lesson on page number 71 72. Choose the correct meaning for the underlined words. Okay, here we have what we have to do from the lesson of page number 71 and 72. We have to read first four paragraph, means first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph and fourth paragraph. After that we have to read the sentences here, and here in that sentences we have some underlined words. So the meaning of that word we have to check it in that paragraph. Okay, then we have to place the answers. Let's see this. So one after the other, my classmate performed different activities. Here, performed is underlined. The meaning of performed is A. Entertained, B. Located. Answer is A. Entertained. So, second question. Out of all the role play on the Wondrous Woman performed by my friends touched my heart. Here, touched is the underlined word. So, its meaning is A. Thought slowly, B. Moved emotionally. Answer is B. Moved emotionally. Okay. Let's see the third one. Let's be thankful to God for His mercy. Mercy is underlined. So its meaning is A. Forgiveness, B. Gift. Answer is B. Gift. Fourth one. Traveling in the space is a wonderful experience. So A. Free time, and B. The universe beyond the Earth's surface. What is the meaning of space? It's B. The universe beyond the Earth's surface. Okay, now we'll see the second Roman. Okay, here choose suitable synonyms to the underlined words in the sentence below and write it in the space provided. So here some sentences are given. From each sentence there is one underlined word. So we have to check it out the meaning of that particular word from the hints given. Okay, one is done for us. Let's see the second one. I mean first one. I have a great passion for dance. Meaning of passion is zeal. Second one, continuous efforts and hard work lead to excellence. Effort meaning is attempts. Okay. I exhibited my courage. So, meaning of exhibited is performed. Fourth one, don't compromise, you can do it. So, compromise synonym or else meaning is adjust. So, these are the answers for these four sentences. Okay, now we'll move to the third Roman, which is fill in the missing letters and practice the words. Here, same three words are given, means three words are given, but it has arranged in such a model that each time you will get to see one letter is missing from that particular same word. Okay, here first word is deluxe, second word occasion, third one is essential. So in the first row, first letter is missing. So D you have to place in Delog, then occasion O, then in essential A. In the second blank, means in the second row, the second letter is missing from each word. Then you have to place I. Okay, for deluxe, C for occasion, S for essential. Then in the third row, third letter is missing. Like that, you just go through till the last and you have to place it very carefully. Now we'll move to the next Roman, that is Roman number 4 of the same worksheet, which is, let's see, mention some impressive qualities you have read in this lesson. the wondrous woman. So from the lesson wondrous woman, what are the great inspiring words, means inspiring qualities that you learned from this lesson? You have to place it under the means opposite to that line. So first one is already given, kind hearted. Next, courageous. After that, faithful. Then patriotic. Then passionate. And the last one is logical thinking. If you find any other inspiring qualities, you just put the line and write it down. Okay, so let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 5.7. Okay, this worksheet is all about grammar part. Let's see the first one. Look at the substitution table and write possible sentences using can, could, can't, couldn't. Okay, here three Romans are given in a table and we have to pick one word or one letter from each row, and we have to means each column, and we have to make a sentences. Okay, let's see the first one. I can read English. Second one, you couldn't play tennis. My grandmother can't climb trees. Fourth one, they couldn't help you. So these are the four sentences you may write, or else you can change it also, okay, by taking the positive or negative, can or couldn't. Okay, so let's move on to the next Roman, which is fill out the expressions whether it is asking permission in a polite manner, ability or inability in the past. Fill in the blanks. One has done for you. Okay, so what happened here? Some sentences are given. We have to read that sentence and understand it. After that, we have to put the correct expression, actually what that expression, what that sentence refer. Okay, one is done for us. Can I sing a song? This sentence is asking permission. Okay, like that we have to go for the other sentences also. Let's see the answers. Second one, I couldn't go for a picnic. So this sentence tells us that inability in the past. So third sentence is, could you lend me your book? So this tells us asking permission in a polite way. So fourth one is, I could dance for hours together when I was practicing. So this tells us ability in the past. Fifth one, he speaks Urdu. He can't speak Telugu, which is an inability. Okay, guys, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 5.8. So, this worksheet is all about writing part. Let's see this. Here is a speech on Republic Day. Complete this speech using the hints in the given box. So, here, one about Republic Day, we have given some speech. Okay, so we have to read it and understand it. After that, we have to fill in the blanks below. So, respected headmaster and teachers, and my dear friends, good morning. This is Ramesh from class 5th. I am excited to say something about the Republic Day. First, I would like to greet you Happy Republic Day. We all know we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year since 1950. From this day, the Constitution of India came into force. We remembered Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of the drafting committee of our constitution, and our great freedom fighters like M.K. Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Vallabhbhai Patel, Lala Lajpat Rai, and Subhash Chandra Bose. On this auspicious day, we hoist our national flag in all public places. Okay, guys, this is not the end of speech. We have continuation of this speech in the next page. Okay, so India is a democratic country. Every citizen is equal in the eyes of law. All the fundamental rights and duties are drafted in the Constitution of India. No one should suffer because of caste, creed, religion, color, community, and race. With this, I would like to wish you all once again a Republic Day, a happy Republic Day. Hope that we all get united to achieve the prosperity of our country. Thank you, one and all, for giving me this opportunity. Jai Hind. Okay, now we'll see the second Roman. Here, match the following we have to do. Means name of the great women is given in one Roman and field they excelled in. Excelled in means what they have done. Okay, so Mother Teresa. Answer is D. Social service. Second one, M.S. Subbulakshmi. Answer is F. Carnatic music. Next, third one, Sarojini Naidu. Answer is G. Poetry. Next, fourth one, Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. Answer is H. First Lady Freedom Fighter. Next, fifth one, Emini Krishnamurti. Answer is B. Classical dancing. Next, Shakuntala Devi. Answer is A. Mathematics. Next, Mary Kom. Answer is E. Boxing. Last one, Kalpana Chawla. Answer is C. Aerospace. Okay, these are the answers of this match the following questions. Okay, guys, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 5.9. Okay, here imagine that your school is going on an excursion to Vishakhapatnam. Now develop a conversation between you and your mother with the help of the hints. Okay, suppose think that your school has planned for an occasion to Vishakhapatnam. Okay, now you go to home means your house and you discuss about this excursion with your mother. So here are some hints. By using these hints you have to make a conversation. Okay, let's see the answers of this conversation part. Okay, you, hi mom, there is some good news. Mother, well, may I know that good news? You, yes, mom. Next week our school is going on an excursion. Mother, it's great. You may go. Where are you going? You, thank you, mom. We are going to Vishakhapatnam. Mother, how many days will you spend there? You, about 3 days. Next, mother, how many of you are planning to join? You, about 40 students. Mother, how much they charge for each student? You, only 200 for our pocket money. School is paying for the whole expenditure. Mother, great. Which places will you visit? You, we are planning to visit the beach, the zoo, Kailashagiri, etc. Mother, good. It's better to see the submarine, the shipyard, and the lighthouse, etc. You, okay, mom. I will ask to plan those places to our headmaster. Mother, I'll prepare some snacks for you. You, thank you, mom. Tomorrow I'll confirm my name for the excursion. Okay, guys, now we'll move to the next Roman, that is Roman number 2. Here, your class teacher means your English teacher will dictate you some one paragraph. You have to listen to it carefully and write it down. Okay, this is a student activity. Let's move on to the next one, that is next worksheet, that is worksheet number 5.10. Here, one paragraph is given about Savitri Bai Phule. Okay, you have to read it, understand it, and then you have to answer the following given questions. Now we'll see the answers of this first Roman. So, first question is, when was Savitri Bai Phule born? Answer, Savitri Bai Phule was born on 3rd January 1831. Second question, how did she help the woman? Answer, she spent her life for the development of women's education. Third question, how did her husband help her? Answer, her husband Jyoti Rao Phule helped her attain high level of education. Fourth question, where did she start the first school for women? Answer, Savitri started India's first women's school for different castes in Bhidewada, Pune. Okay, guys, let's move on to the next one, which is a student activity. This one, okay, your teacher means your English teacher will dictate you some words. You have to listen to it and write it down without any spelling mistake. Okay, so the next one is question and answers. First question is, when do you get up? Answer, so I get up at 6 a.m. You may change the time as you wish. Okay, then second question is, at what time do you go to school? Answer, I go to school at 8 a.m. Next, third one, how long do you stay at school? Answer, I will stay at school for 7 hours. Okay. Next, fourth one is, when do you play? Answer, I play in the morning. In the evening. Fifth question, at what time do you do your homework? Answer, I do my homework in the evening. Sixth one, how many times do you take meals? Answer, I will take my meals 2 times a day. Okay, guys, so this is all about your answers. I hope you all got it. If you like it, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and do like the hit button and share with your friends. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care.